Hi there, this is Matt Hansen from Windows, the official magazine. Today we've got a nice shiny new Sony Vaio Duo 11 in the office, so thought we'd open it up on video and let you guys see what's inside the package. So, just open the seal here. This is how fresh the box is. First up we have what looks like a stylus, well packaged in I think. Oh, there we go. Which looks rather nice. It's battery powered and it's touch and pressure sensitive. Should make working on some of the touchscreen apps quite handy. And here we have the Sony Duo 11 itself. Very nice 11-inch screen, full HD. It's quite thin. Got an SD card there, VGA, and headphones. On the back, you've got a Ethernet, which is quite rare for a tablet, so that's nice. 2 USB 3s and a full-size HDMI. Also in the box we have the power supply. I think that's it, yeah, so it's rather minimalist. Oh, of course here is all the documentation. Getting started with Windows 8, which is nice. Quick start guide, and all kinds of other bits and pieces. Right, so through the wonders of video editing, you can skip ahead. It's all charged up. We'll turn it on, see what it's like. We've just got the little power button there. As you can see, it's got my grubby paw prints where I've been installing apps. It's pretty fast to start up. I'll just go in and I'll just type my password. There we go. And there's Windows 8. Quite smooth and fast. I don't have any signal. Quite slim, quite fast, quite smooth, and if you just pull that up like that, it becomes an Ultrabook. So the version we've got in has got a nice Core i5 processor, 4GB of RAM, but that can be expanded when you're purchasing it.